Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Mastercard credit card with no impact on your credit score. Yes, you have heard it right. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $30,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember that in this video I will take you on a tour of this credit cards application, as well as I will tell you all the perks, including the upsides and the downsides of this credit card. So please watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to like this video. It helps the channel grow, as well as it will motivate us to bring more great content just for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So finally, right here is an amazing opportunity just in front of you. Yes, and right now we are talking about the Milestone Mastercard credit card. Yes, it is also known as Milestone Gold Mastercard, and it's an amazing opportunity, especially for the people who are in the rebuilding phase of their credit, and especially for the people who are facing some hardships because of their credit, because their credit is either bad, poor, or worst in the world. So don't worry about it. It's a very easy application, and this credit card is actually made for the credit who are going through some hardships, again for the rebuilding phase, or if your credit is in the bad side. So now let's see what are the perks of this credit card, and including the upsides and the downside. So the first thing, that there is no security deposit, so you can keep your cash. So what it means, it is an unsecured credit card. So let me just tell you a difference between secured and unsecured. So in secured credit card, you actually give the security deposit. For example, you go to a Wells Fargo bank and you give them $300, and in return for the $300 they will give you a credit card. So technically it's your own money, and they are giving you the credit card for your own money. So right here in this one, when you talk about the unsecured credit card, you apply for a credit card and they give you a credit card without any security deposit or without any money of yours. So you're gonna get the credit card with money in it. So that's unsecured credit card. So yes, you can keep your cash, and it's unsecured, so you can apply for this. The second one is that you can pre-qualify. As I already told you, on Credit Viral channel, we give you amazing opportunities and financial products such as credit cards, lines of credit, as well as loans, which you can get with no impact on your credit score. Yes, right here as well, you can pre-qualify for it. And what the pre-qualification means right here, let me just elaborate a bit. Pre-qualification means that when you actually fill out your information, they will do a soft pull to your credit. And what soft pull means, that no impact on your credit. It means there won't be a single effect on your credit. Your score will not be decreased because of this. And what they do, then they will give you an offer. So if you accept the offer, then they will do a hard pull. But remember, that hard pull will not impact your credit decision. So what I mean by that, for example, if they say that they are giving you a credit card such as for $1,000, right, with no impact to your credit score, with just a soft pull, and then when you accept that offer, they will do a hard pull. And that hard pull is just a requirement. It means it will not change the decision you got with just a soft pull. So keep that in mind. The third one is 24/7 account management. Of course, pretty much every financial institution has it now. You have an app, you can actually manage your account with the app, with their websites. Of course, that's what it is. The fourth one and the last one is the full Mastercard perks, fraud protection and more. The great thing about Mastercard, I always like that if you buy a phone from somewhere and if you have a Mastercard, means like you buy a phone with that Mastercard, then you won't have to worry about the insurance because your phone is covered with Mastercard insurance. That's one of the greatest perk of Mastercard. So right here, as they say, I already told you that it is easy pre-qualification, means no impact to your credit score. One of the amazing things that I really like about this card as well, that they do report to all three major credit bureaus. So what it means, when you actually make a payment, means you use the card and at the end of the month you make the payment, they will report the payment to all three major credit bureaus such as Equifax, TransUnion and Experian. And what it does exactly, it builds your credit, because you know, when you make the payment and it gets reported to the credit bureaus, it's gonna have a very huge impact on your credit score. So keep that in mind. If you are doing like payments on time and if you do the payments for straight 6 months, it can have an impact on your credit score significantly. And what I mean by significantly, it's in a good manner. So yes, you can do that. So let's see how the application looks like and how you can get pre-qualified for it. So now we are going to click on the application and see how it looks like. So here's the countdown: 3, 2, 1. Let's click. So as soon as you click on it, this form will open. It is an application, so they will require your first name, your middle initials, your last name, your suffix, your date of birth, your social security number. Keep that in mind. They are not going to do a hard pull. It will not affect or impact your credit score. So keep that in mind. But if they give you an offer and you accept the offer, then they will do a hard pull. So keep that in mind. Then they require your email address, your personal email address, your primary phone number, or if you have any secondary phone number, you can do that. Then they will ask you to click next, and then you will review your form or your application, and after that they will give you an offer with just a soft pull, means there will be no impact on your credit score. So keep that in mind. You accept the offer, then it will do a hard inquiry on your credit, which will impact your credit score, but it will not change the decision or the offer they have given you with the soft pull. So keep that in mind. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $30,000 loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like this video. It helps the channel grow and it also motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So now, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.